Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're talking about one of the easiest and most popular indoor plants, the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. If you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that purifies the air and thrives on neglect, this one's for you. Let's learn how to keep your snake plant happy and healthy. 1. About the snake plant. Snake plants are native to West Africa and are known for their tall, sword-shaped leaves with striking green patterns. They're succulents, meaning they store water in their thick leaves, making them drought-tolerant. Plus, they're one of NASA's top air-purifying plants, perfect for bedrooms and offices. 2. Light requirements. Snake plants prefer bright, indirect light, but they're super adaptable. They can survive in low light, fluorescent office lights, or even direct sun for a few hours. However, too much harsh sunlight can scorch the leaves. 3. Watering tips. Overwatering is the #1 killer of snake plants. Let the soil dry out completely before watering again. In summer, water every 2 to 3 weeks. In winter, reduce it to once a month. Make sure your pot has drainage holes. Snake plants hate sitting in soggy soil. 4. Best soil for snake plant. Use a well-draining soil mix. Cactus or succulent potting mix is perfect. You can also make your own by mixing regular potting soil with sand or perlite to increase drainage. 5. Temperature and humidity. Snake plants like temperatures between 60 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 29 degrees Celsius. They don't like frost, so keep them away from cold drafts or windows in winter. They're okay with normal indoor humidity, no misting needed. 6. Fertilizing. Snake plants don't need much feeding. Fertilize once every 1 to 2 months during spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Avoid feeding in winter when the plant is dormant. 7. Repotting and propagation. Snake plants grow slowly, so repotting every 2 to 3 years is enough. To propagate, simply divide the plant at the root or cut a leaf into sections and root it in water or soil. It's that easy to make more snake plants. 8. Common problems. Yellow leaves. You might be overwatering. Soft or mushy leaves. Root rot could be the cause. Wrinkled leaves. That means it's too dry, time to water. Snake plants are tough, but they still need a little attention now and then. And that's it. Snake plants are perfect for beginners and busy plant lovers. If you enjoyed this care guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.